day 2 of wrapping Shane's car, but right now, I'm just amazed this thing started. Yeah, we did end up getting a new battery for this. I'm just not used to it starting up when it's minus 30-degree weather. Still only just half of the car wrapped. Threw that Goku sticker on there. Woo! Fuck this shit! Well, kind of hard to see, but man, this weather causes accidents. And I actually shouldn't even be vlogging right now. Bros, this is what happens. Oh my gosh.
Even that taxi, dude, what the hell? Fucking cars all over the place.
Yeah. Winter tires, folks.
Uh-oh, Jerry's gonna cut you off. Watch out.
Jerry! Bruh. Oh my goodness. Yo.
People are fucking their cars.
There's another one.
Steven was right, man. He's like, there's a lot of accidents. Sock over it.
Yeah, I need gloves, man. This is like pure metal. It hurts to hold. It's like freezer burn. Oh, dudes. There's another one. Or maybe he just slid off. The car just gave out. I think it's completely out of gas, man. Yo, can we try this?
Yeah, go get it. It's turning over, okay, you're good. And then,
Fuck.
yeah, just keep it alive somehow.
Damn, son. Uh-oh. I gotta believe. Played around with the distributor. Oh!
Don't let the RPMs go down.
Yeah, I won't, dude. But it's hard, man. The distributor is off timing. So right now, the exhaust is misfiring. And the check engine light is gonna be coming on soon. Okay, so our car's about to die. There's EMS and fire trucks, cars all over the place. And I don't even think we're in the right lane, man. I hope these guys let me in, though.
Man, those RPMs, dude.
I know. It feels like it's about to give out, eh? Oh, shit. So, this godforsaken Mazda doesn't even give off heat. This is my range of visibility right now. Beautiful. The police have completely closed off the main highway because too many people are getting into accidents this morning. So there's basically 5 lanes converging into 1. Being in traffic for a good hour. Yo, should I finger the cop? Yo, I fingered him. I can't even go straight. What the hell, dudes? I don't care.
Good.
Shane, uh-oh.
What?
Oh no. Gotcha, now I'm gonna ride. Bruh, this Jeep's not letting this truck in. What an asshole. Okay. That was a fairly scary experience. So we were on the fast lane, but this completely broke down on us. And it might have to do with the distributor. So actually these holes right here are pretty inconveniently placed on this hood, because if the snow melts, the water starts leaking in through here, and right underneath it is where the distributor is. This area was completely wet. Hopefully we'll fiddle around with it and we'll see if we still get that backfire. All right, what do you guys think? Should I do it? Looks nice. Yeah, right. You got the chrome boys. Bruh, this is the project for today. We're gonna continue wrapping Shane's G. And maybe if we have time, we'll test fit his IPL kit. We gotta, man, it's time. I think the side skirts are probably gonna be the easiest thing to fit on this car. Mind you, this is a Duraflex kit. So fitment, not the greatest. Try to see if we can get one side done today. Let's get started. This part was way loose, but hopefully that fixes it and there's no more blow by. This area started getting moisture somehow. And I thought it was because of the water leaking. Earlier though, this thing was starting to sound like a helicopter. It was actually pretty cool. Yeah, exactly. Dude, you guys did a good job. Wow. Man. Clean. I'm just an icon fucker. Depending on how you do the vinyl around the headlights, you can make this thing look like a completely different car. Oh yeah, still gotta pull this part. Pretty much. Alright, this was to block both of my green lights because I got a ticket for them before. If I put it here, ta-da!
Into your eyes, romance game, and it's 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 game, and it's
What do you think, bro? You excited?
I don't like it.
Yeah, let's just take it all off.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
No worries, man. Eddie, you're next. Seriously, you put this anywhere and it'll make it look badass. Maybe like this.
You know what? Let's bring it up a bit. We're doing a lot of slack on the hill.
It's like war paint. Bring it over. Let's test fit his IPL kit. Gonna have a fat booty. Well, for the most part, like the mounting points seem to be where they should be. Damn. Yeah. Can you push that any further? Like, I just.
Look at that booty.
Wow. Honestly, this stuff we can shave down.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
I think it should fit. It should actually fit right in this part. Made it easy for you right here. You know exactly where you should be cutting using the Dremel.
Oh, yeah.
That. This we can shave down. So that goes straight in those, right? There's those little slits. Dude, that looks sick, man.
I agree.
Just makes it look like a spaceship. Sweet, dude. Arc makes some pretty sweet looking exhausts.
Yeah, we can make an incision right in the ear.
Oh, yo, he's 1,000 followers now.
What, Shane?
Yeah.
Yo, Shane, congrats! Woo!
I'm almost there too, not me.
Yeah, everyone, follow these guys. Plugs. Boop, 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 boop. Look at that.
Almost like pushing it out.
From that. His entire car is chrome blue. What?
Dude, this looks like it's straight from Need for Speed.
Yeah, I know, right? It's looking clean. You almost there, bruh? Looking good. Yes, it's pretty big actually. Here, I can get it from this side. I have to retuck it, dude. Nice, nice. Please, be careful with that, man. Your beauty. Charlie, you bit my finger. Hey. Ow, Charlie.
Ouch, Charlie.
How's it looking?
A good day's work.
I mean, huh?
Panel at a time.
Yeah, no kidding, man. Honestly, we thought this would have went by a lot quicker after being able to do 2 cars. But this chrome stuff is actually harder to work with than regular gloss wrap. But making good progress, I'd say. Good job. Yeah, thanks for the helps. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, no, now that you look at both blues side by side, it makes this blue in comparison like look so pale and lame.
Like it makes it look boring now. It's just like the blue just makes it look like it's not blue anymore.
It's like a fake color. Damn, son. Looks good. I'm excited. And we're deciding to keep some of this on just for protection. And I now have Alexis.
Big news.
If you look closely, I left my Kings Must Rise logo sticker on there, so it's embedded, but you can barely even see that. Just missing a Lexus badge.
You want one?
Yes, please, you have extra? Yeah, a couple more gold accents everywhere wouldn't hurt.
Since they're all wrapping their cars, what color should I wrap my car? Let me know.
Gutu's having a hard time deciding what color he's gonna wrap his car. His previous car is Acura, which was red. He tried to wrap black, but like halfway, he decided on getting a new car. So now that he has this new Lexus, he's in the same predicament, trying to figure out what color he should wrap his car. So if you guys have any suggestions,
Maybe gold. I'm thinking about maybe doing gold. Let me know.
so probably gonna call it a night at the garage. We're just gonna continue wrapping the rest of it tomorrow. We're gonna try to get as much of this done as we can. I ran out of orange for the MX-3, so I have to wait for the vinyl wrap to come in for that. And it takes like roughly a week, so yeah. See you guys tomorrow.